affiliate marketing for beginners in 2022 is what I'm going to share tips about in this video. Hi there, Tommy Olsson here. Thanks for tuning in. And one of the sites that you can use to get signups or buyers for the product you promote or the product you promote is Qoura. You can create a free account by going to Qoura.com, and this is a place where people ask all kinds of different questions about all kinds of different topics, and by giving good answers to questions that has to do with, for instance, affiliate marketing and such, you can attract people to your profile. And if you filled in it with good information about what you have to offer and so on, then you can make money that way. But not only that, when you answer a question, you can sometimes enter a link to in the end of the post to a capture page, often because Qoura doesn't like links and such, but sometimes you can do it. But a thing to remember is, when you give an answer, never write a short answer for just a few things. Always write a pretty long answer, because that is good for search engine optimization, as well as Qoura content rank pretty well in Google and so. And if you wanna answer questions for, you go to the search box here, and enter, for instance, affiliate marketing, and then you search for it. Here are different questions you can answer about affiliate marketing. How can I start affiliate marketing? What is affiliate marketing? You can click on guess the topic. What is affiliate marketing? I have answered it myself. You can go and check it out. We can go to it anyway. Here's an answer, write even more, and I have put a link here, but you don't do that every time. You can actually enter a URL in your profile, and by not entering a link and just value, you can get signups to your list and so on. So make sure when you create your profile to fill in all the information about education and stuff, because that will make it look more step-by-step, newbie-friendly affiliate marketing training that's focusing on just free methods, but free methods that really pays off. Then click the link below, and thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.